Welcome to Ooty, the queen of the Nilgiris. Today on Know Your Destination Food, I'm taking you on a delicious journey through the must-try dishes of this magical hill town. Let's kick off with something iconic, Ooty Varkey. Trust me, this light, flaky, buttery treat is what bakery dreams are made of. The best spot to grab a fresh batch? King Star Bakery, right on Commercial Road. Now, Ooty's handmade chocolates are legendary, and you haven't truly visited until you've tried some. I always stop by Moddy's chocolates. Their rich, melt-in-your-mouth varieties are simply irresistible. If the chill in the air gets to you, I recommend heading over to the Tibetan Market near Charing Cross. Warm, juicy momos served here are the ultimate mountain comfort food. There's just nothing like them on a cold Ooty day. For breakfast, nothing beats a classic Masala Dosa. Nahar's Sidewalk Café dishes out dosas so crispy and golden you'll want seconds. And don't skip their fresh, flavorful chutneys. As the mist rolls in and the evening sets, I love to cozy up with a steaming bowl of vegetable soup at Willy's coffee pub, just a stone's throw from the botanical gardens. It's like a hug in a bowl. Ready for something truly local? Ooty's got you covered with authentic South Indian thalis, aromatic biryani platters, and unique Badaga dishes, avarai gasu udaka, beans with potato curry, otukudi udaka, bamboo shoot curry, and kapu koi udaka, chicken curry. These indigenous Nilgiri flavors are a must for anyone looking to taste tradition. And of course, I can't leave out dessert. The carrot halwa at Earl's Secret Restaurant is slow-cooked to perfection, warm, rich, and absolutely unforgettable. So, from savory dosas to soulful Badaga feasts, Ooty's food scene is all about unforgettable moments and mouth-watering discovery. Which dish are you adding to your foodie list? Don't forget to subscribe to Know Your Destination Food for more delicious journeys.